What's going on, everybody? Nick here, and today we're gonna have a look at the Nike Air Max 97 Undefeated collaboration. This is the Militia Green and Black pair. This pair actually did come out a few years ago. I believe it was 2017 when I looked it up. And that year they actually released a lot of a few different 97s. There was the Gucci pack with the black and white variation that had the Gucci sort of striping on the side, Air Max 97s, and those are still highly sought after. Those shoes are going for a decent amount of money. But these ones came out that same year, and it's a green and black pair with some little orange hints. Kind of reminds me of Master Chief, but anyways, let's get a look in, let's take a look at the shoes, and I'll talk a little bit more about them. The shoes come sort of like the older Jordan 11 boxes, and they just kind of slide out like this. Okay, so here's the shoe. I'm taking a look at it. It has definitely the same sort of model and style as the Air Max 97. Nothing's really changed there or altered, like an off-white collaboration or something like that. But as you can see, the entire upper is covered in this nice military sort of OD green colorway. That looks really nice. I'm a big fan of it. I actually got this pair in my own size. I don't know if I'm gonna actually wear them or not. I sort of bought them to see how the market goes with them. I know right now they're sitting and they're actually going below retail, but I feel like this is such a nice timeless color, and I just think that over time, I think people will pay a little more for them. So we'll see how it goes. Either way, I got my size, so I can wear them if I want. And that's typically what I do with shoes. I'll buy them and then sort of see how they go. And if I like them, I'll wear them. And if not, I'll just sell them. And it's no big loss. The outsole is just a typical Air Max 97 black outsole. You have little Nike branding there. And of course, little hints of orange. So that's kind of why I think it's like a Master Chief type of shoe, because you have all this military green and these orange hits, and there's some black and white silver bits. The piping on the outside, you have the Undefeated logo, which I believe is in 3M, so it's reflective. And then you have the traditional loop style lacing, Undefeated brandings on the tongue right there. And if you take a look on the insole, there's also the Nike Undefeated branding inside. And it's just a really nice looking shoe. So I won't be doing it on foot of these just because, like I said, I'm kind of holding them and I just want to see what happens. I'm not entirely sure I want to keep them, but I just thought it was such a cool looking shoe, and just so cool that they restocked that I figured I might pick a pair up and see what happens. So anyways, if you guys enjoy the video, please give me a like. Let me know if you really like these shoes in the comments. If you think they're just bricks and you pass. I'm just kind of curious to see what everyone's feels on this, because I know a lot of people clearly like them because they were definitely going for a lot of money before, and now because they sort of retroed, everyone's kind of just on the hate train. But I think honestly they'll go back up. It's just a timeless looking color and just a cool concept. And I mean, you see the Air Jordan 4 that they did in the same colorways going for astronomical prices. So yeah, it's just a dope looking shoe. So if you guys picked it up, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. Just be curious to see what everyone's sort of pulse is about these shoes. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.